need A4 size paper, cake board, battery, sellotape, scissors, sponge, LED light, safety pin, small wire, electric wires, insulating sellotape. First, cover the cake board with a white A4 sheet. You can use any color paper to cover. Instead of cake board, you can also use cardboard. Do you know the meaning of a circuit? A circuit is a path that electricity flows along. It starts at a power source like a battery and flows through a wire to a light bulb or other objects. You can easily build your own circuit and see how it works. Now take the battery, connect the end of the wires to the battery and secure it with sellotape. I have used small paper pieces to secure wires to the battery and covered it with the sellotape so that it remains intact. Fix the piece of sponge on the center of the board with the help of double-side tape. Now connect the other end of wire to the LED bulb. Longer leg of LED bulb is positive and shorter is negative. In battery, smaller circular terminal is positive side while the larger hexagonal or octagonal terminal is the negative side. So accordingly connect the wires -1 to negative and positive to positive. Make sure negative and positive wires don't touch each other. Now arrange the battery and wires on the board with the help of double-side tape. Now take a safety pin and take one end of wire and attach it with safety pin. Secure with insulation tape. Now touch the other open end of wire to safety pin, you will see bulb lights. Now label the circuit board. Your own electric circuit board is ready.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the